Quick note, these only include those verified by StatCast. At number 3, we have this 96.0 mph 2017 pitch, a sidearm fastball for a ball, missing low to Anthony Rizzo. It was the same story with number 2 in 2016, as he was facing his fellow MVP winner Mike Trout when he fired his heater low and in at 96.1 mph. And at number 1, the fastest pitch of Kershaw's career in the StatCast era, this 96.8 mph fireball for a called strike 3 versus Mr. Baby Shark himself. Interestingly, it was on another sidearm fastball.